Hi friends, welcome to BioPassionate channel. In this tutorial, BioPassionate is going to discover the new features of Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. The first one is Content Aware Fill. For this, you need to select the area which you need to content aware. So, I am selecting the heart-shaped island which present in the ocean by using Select tool. After selecting that, go to Edit and select the Content Aware Fill. You will get a preview. See there, island is disappeared. After the preview, just click OK. To deselect the area, click Ctrl D. This effect will be shown in New Layer. So for you, just I am going to take another picture for the Content Aware Fill. So I am selecting rock. Then I am going to Edit. Then Content Aware Fill. So you will get a preview. After that also, in new feature, you can select another area in the same picture which was not available in the previous version. Then click OK. And the second feature of Adobe Photoshop 2019 is Frame Tool. For this, select the Frame tool from the toolbar. Select the area where you want to add the frame in the picture. Then drag and drop the desired image inside the frame. Now I am going to drag and drop into the frame of the spec. So I am going to take another example. The third new feature is Live Blend Mode Preview. This was not available in the previous version of Adobe Photoshop. Now you can see the Live Blend mode directly. So now you are watching, I am selecting different live mode, means blend mode. So automatically you can observe the different effects over the picture. The fourth new feature is Multiple Undo Mode. In the previous version of Adobe, to undo the action we were clicking Ctrl plus Alt plus Z. But now you can achieve this by clicking Ctrl plus Z for undo the multiple action. The next new feature is double click to edit the text. Yes. Now you can edit the text by double click on the text. But in the previous version, we were editing the text by selecting the text tool and the toolbar. The next new feature is Symmetry Mode. Now you can make wonder by drawing different pattern. This can be available on the brush tool of the toolbar. You can see the symmetry option on the top. Then you can draw over the white field, white area or blank area. The next new feature is Lock Workspace. Now you can prevent accidental panel moves with Lock Workspace. The final new features of Adobe Photoshop is Color Wheel. To select desired colors, now you can use Color Wheel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates and don't forget to press the bell icon.